Join me today for a tour of the Little Mermaid rooms at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Thanks for watching Optimistically Disney, where we love all things Disney. The Little Mermaid rooms are the least expensive rooms at Art of Animation because they are just regular rooms. There are rooms with 1 king bed or 2 queen beds. The theming is everywhere in this room, from the fish and shell mirror to the 2 shell chairs at the table. And it's not just any table, it's got Under the Sea sheet music right there for your perusing. Heading over to the bathroom, you've got a sink and a nice mirror. And each room has a hairdryer, small mirror that lights up and pulls out, an ironing board, iron, safe, and extra pillow and blanket. There is a door with a full-length mirror to separate the sink from the shower area. The shower has shampoo, conditioner, and body wash for you, and is decorated as Ariel's grotto. As you can see, the shower head is a wand, which may be helpful if you're washing little ones. Pull the shower curtain shut and you've got Ariel herself hanging out in her grotto. In between the 2 queen beds, there's one nightstand that has a phone and Hey Disney. There are directions for Hey Disney if you need them. There's an under the sea curtain to separate the bathroom from the rest of the room if needed. I'm sure you've been noticing all the theming everywhere. The dresser under the TV has a coffee maker stacked with coffee, tea, and everything you need. The dresser has 3 small drawers on the left if you want to unpack a little. The right side is actually a door that camouflages the fridge inside. And that's everything in a Little Mermaid room. Aren't they adorable? Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions.